Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are going to do an unboxing. I've got a couple things in the mail recently, and so I figured I haven't done some unboxings in a while, so we are going to work on that and see what we've got in here. Well, the box is quite torn up there. But let's go ahead and see what we've got. This is the 5D diamond painting. This is the DIY diamond painting, you guys. Have you seen this? Let's see. Oh, I think the box has kind of seen its day, so I'm not too worried about that. But let's look and see what it is. This is the it comes with all of these little diamonds. Look at all of these. Holy smokes. And I have been looking at this and looking at it and looking. I've seen it because I see it on Instagram and all this stuff. But it has all these little diamonds in different colors. And there should be, let's look further in here. Oh, got all kinds of stuff. So this is the mat, and I think when you take it off, you're able to see. Yeah, there we go. This is what it looks like. Can you see that? It's got little spaces in there, and it's very sticky. So I'm not going to do anything with that right now because that whole thing is just a large kind of like canvas. And then I'm going to see if they have a picture of what I was trying to do. There's nothing. There is nothing. But I was looking at them. I said, all right, I want to give this a try. So what you do, this has no sticky on there at all. But it comes with this little tray. And I've only seen it, like I said, on Instagram, little videos. And so when these people reached out to me and they said, oh, we'd like to send you one of these, I'm like, yeah, okay, let's do this. I'd like to see it. So it looks like we've got some little pieces of plastic here. A little bit of mending. I think those are just for that. We've got this little guy, little tweezers there. We've got, I don't know, I like to say that there's instructions. I don't know. I guess I saw this also at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo. It wasn't the same company, but the instructions, the person was there doing the instructing. That's how I know about it. So here's this little guy, and this has some sticky on it. Right? It's gonna pick up those little sticks. I don't know what this is for. I have no idea. I just don't know. I don't know what's going on here. But let me show you what the people did. I'll just use this little color here. She took whatever color that coordinates. So this says number 9, and you go here to number 9, and then you look at the little square. Let me show you. You got number 9 right there, and then a little square which has like a little M symbol, and it's number 632. So number 9, 632. So this is the right color. So then I'm going to take those out and put these in this little tray, right? And you just take them out a little bit at a time. And you kind of go like this. And it does those little guys for you. So once you get them all into place, or most into place, that is when you take this little sticky guy and you pick it up. And then you bring it over to your actual canvas, and you take it and you stick it there. And remember, it has that sticky canvas, so it's going to stick like that. So you put it there. Oop. This one's not sticking because there's no stickiness on it. But then you go and you get your next one, and you put that there. And then you get your next one, and you just continue to do it. It seems like it's quite easy. It looked, from what the lady did, it looked like it was really easy. And I can tell you that this does pick those up rather nice. So I thought, my friend bought one too. She bought a little giraffe from what she told me. But I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. I don't know what this thing is. Maybe to move it around a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, I just don't know what these are for. But this might be to flip it over. I wish there were instructions. So, and then when you're done, you just can put these all back in there. And then you move on to your next color. So if you're working in a little bit by bit. So I thought this was cool. And I will give you the information down below for the link so you can check it out. Maybe see if they have the instructions. I'm sure that when you buy it on your own, they're not going to send it like this. I would hope not. I think they probably sent this to me hoping they'll send it like this because it was just for free that they gave it to me so that I could test it out. But I'm assuming there's going to be more instructions. If not, that is exactly what you do, like I showed you. It's pretty self-explanatory. But I will put the link down below, and the reason I'm going to put down the link is because the prices are really good. So like I said, my friend bought one, and she bought them, but the ones we saw, she bought it after we saw it at the expo. She didn't buy it from the expo, but the ones we saw, they were quite expensive. So they were like, some of them were $40, $70, $100, all depending on what you got. But this one, it should be really nice. I'd like to be able to show it to you, and I really can't because it's all just, I really can't. It doesn't, you can't really see anything. It's just lots of little F's and D's and whatnot. But when it's finished, it's going to be a nice picture window. So I don't know. I don't know if this is something I'm going to love. It seems like I wouldn't have loved it, but I wanted to try it because it did look cool. And then now that I'm playing with it, I just had a lot of time. That was like kind of relaxing. It was kind of fun picking those up like that. So I am definitely going to give it a try and see how that works. And I will let you know. But this is fun. If you guys have done this, let me know. Put a comment down below. I would love, love, love to hear more. And all of these diamonds are so fun. So, and they're not real diamonds, guys. They're just little, I mean, of course they're not real, but I mean, they're not glass. They're just little plastic, kind of faceted. They're not glass or anything. They look to be like they're plastic. So, I don't know. They are shiny enough. They do give a little bit of glisten and glow. But I just wanted this to be a pretty real video. But I'll tell you what, for the price, if you're interested at all, I would definitely go to them because the price is the best that I've seen. And I have looked at multiples. So, All right, I'll put the link down below for you, and you let me know. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.